Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We had Tyla. She gave us recently a hit. Is it love? If it's love, if you don't cry, that's the question. A great song. And speaking of hits, if you want to learn a full song from the beginning till the very end, then you should go and check out my new YouTube channel. It's called Gordon Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Hits from the past all the way to recent time, and the good thing is I'm gonna show you how to play a full song from A to Z, chords shown on the screen. You just follow along a full playthrough. A great way to learn a song. So yeah, support me that way. Go and check out Gordon Guitar 6 Strings Ago, subscribe there. And now let's focus on Is It Love? Cape on first, absolute best scenario. Only 3 chords, a simple string pattern. Doesn't have to be harder than that, guys. So let's check out the song. First chords. I'm gonna start with F, which is a bar chord. You place the index finger like this, crossing all strings on the first fret. Push down the strings there, and then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. We have A minor next. So A minor goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And finally we have the C, very easy transition from A minor to Z, like this. Okay, so third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. So you go from this A minor, you have the ring finger on the second fret, G string, just replace that with this third fret A instead, ring finger up there, and that's it. Magical and simple. So that's the chord progression. Now strumming, let's learn that with the F chord. So it goes like this. That is my interpretation of it, how I would play and perform this song. Obviously this is not played with guitar, but still it's playable. So what you play here is down, then down, up, clap, down. Okay, so a couple rounds. I played 4 rounds for you, and that is exactly how the song starts with F4. Then you're gonna switch to A minor and play 3 rounds of that, and then finally 1 round of that C, and that is 1 chord progression round. You just continue that round and round over and over again. F4, A minor 3, C1, like this. Beautiful song from Tyla, Is It Love? I hope you enjoyed it, guys. That's my mission, to educate you guys, have a fun moment with you, and perhaps get something out of this as well. So thank you for support. Hope to see you soon. Play tuned.